Incremental greetings, this is Incremental, also known as William Palace. Today I want to share with you something I recently discovered. And for me, this doesn't work 100% because an attic for me, it doesn't mean that. An attic usually is when you see that ceiling is like this, it's tilted because it's under the roof, but you're living there. So I live in a flat in the first floor or story, and the second, third, and so on. And sometimes, if it's an old building, the last, what will be the attic, it's usually used as another flat and another story, another floor. You have the old apartment. You are not storing all things there. That may be the original sense of the word, and perhaps this is also true in America. But at least in my country, Spain, people are living there. It's not just for storing all things. So here is okay. I can put my mind in the perspective of American when I do this collection. But there's a semantic distance here. So what I will prefer is rework that myself. Here I will usually use for storing all things. For me that's better. And even though if I will create my own item, that I won't be using this. I'll be using, let me Google. This sounds like storage. Not all. Only this one. Seems like that. But the key is that this tiling, that the ceiling is curved, as in here as well. Look how different the concept is. It's in my previous knowledge and based on my culture and understanding, if when somebody says attic, I think of this or this. For me, that's an attic, which is pretty different of this. And for me, it's not about storing things. That I know for sure that the etymology is this one. The English language use that. This one, copy that. And I will call it, oh, this already exists because I'm guessing it's this one that is called attic. So let me choose another name. I will say attic apartment.